Welcome all. Today we will discuss method of images, what role it play in the electromagnetics to solve the some special problems in which we do not have this charge distribution on the surface. So if we have this electric field intensity E, electric potential V, and charge distribution, that is surface charge distribution, and if this surface charge distribution is unknown on the surface, then it is very difficult to find out this electric field intensity and electric potential. So we have so many types of problems in which we cannot find out this charge distribution on the surface. So if the charge distribution is unknown, it is very difficult to find out electric field intensity and voltage by using this Poisson and Laplace equations. So for those problems, we use method of images. And one such type of problem is this one. Here we have a charge Q.
Lying here at the coordinates 0 d0. So this is the value of the x, y, z. Simple Cartesian coordinate system is used here, and we have a this conductor here, connecting plate. You can see this is the conducting plate which is lying on the x-axis, and it is grounded. So the this is a complex problem, because if due to this charge q, we need to find out electric field intensity somewhere, let us say somewhere here at any point randomly. We need to find out the electric field intensity here, or we need to find out the electric potential here. So we should have this value of the charge density here, knowledge of the charge density, because due to this charge q, we will have a charge density here on this conducting surface, and the effect of the on this electric field and this electric potential should be considered. Okay, this effect of the charge density should be included in that. Okay, so first of all, we need to find out the charge density rho s due to this charge. Then we need to find out this electric potential or electric field intensity here. Okay, so to find out this charge distribution is a complex problem, because we have to solve some boundary conditions. So for that, we have to start to find out the electric potential, because directly electric field intensity cannot be calculated. So we will use simple. We'll start solving the Laplace equation, which is given by del square v curl x square v curl y square v curl z square is equal to 0. So we need to solve this problem, and the solution of this Laplace equation, this is a Laplace equation. Okay. If you do not know this Laplace equation, Poisson Laplace equation, you can check my previous videos. So solution of this equation will give you the value of voltage. Okay, because this is the second order partial differential equation. The solution of this equation will give you the value of electric potential V. Now to solve this for this reason, because as we can see, this charge is lying on y is equal to d. So if we want to find out electric potential in a region y is greater than equal to y greater than 0, so this electric potential have to satisfy following condition. We have the four condition which which condition this electric potential should satisfy. So first condition is now at every point at every point on the grounded conducting plane on grounded conducting plane, this potential x0z at this position, that should be equal to 0. This is the first condition. And the second condition is at very close to charge q, this charge at very close to this charge q, voltage is given by voltage, or we can say electric potential is given by 4 pi r epsilon. Okay, epsilon naught is here because we are dealing in the free space. So, and r is the distance of this charge from where we want to find out the electric potential. Okay, so we can say if we are going to find out the potential very close to this charge, so that will be given by q upon 4 pi, you can place it epsilon first, 4 pi epsilon r. Okay, if r approaches 0. Okay, so this should be the value. Now third one is at point very far away, at point very far from q, this charge. Okay, so the potential should be 0. Okay, means when this x approaches plus minus infinity and y approaches infinity. Okay, only plus infinity. Okay, no sign is there, so only plus infinity, not a minus infinity. And z is equal to, again, z approaches plus minus infinity. Okay, so at point very far away from this, the potential should be 0. So this x, y, z should be equal to 0. This is the third condition. And fourth condition is this should be satisfied. This potential should be symmetrical. Symmetrical means V x, y, z should be equal to V minus x, y, z, and V x, y, z should be equal to V x, y minus z. Okay, so this should be symmetrical. Now, so these four conditions should be satisfied. Okay. Now, if these conditions should be satisfied, we need to find out. Let us say, due to this charge plus q, we have a charge density rho s. Charge density rho s on this conducting plane. Now, electric potential here at a distance r. Okay, r from this charge, and the distance from here to here is, let us say, it is R1. So potential here, electric potential here will be calculated from this charge and from this charge density. So that will be the algebraic sum of these two. So we can write here, we are assuming that we have a charge density on this conducting plate from this charge. So if you want to find out potential here, so potential is given by Q 4 pi epsilon naught. If you solve this value of the R, this R will be equal to x square minus, sorry, plus is here, y minus d square. Okay, so this is how this the coordinate system of this, let us say here, coordinate system is xyz, where this we want to find out the potential. So x minus 0 square, so x square, y minus d square, plus z minus 0 square, z square. This is the potential due to this charge, plus potential due to this charge density rho s on this conducting surface is given by, so you need to find out this charge Q, how much charge due to this surface charge density. So this is the rho s divided by R1. R1 is the distance from this point to a point where you need to find out the potential. So that will be equal to, okay, now you just need to find out the value, this value, and it is not easy to find out this value. Okay, a ds is also there. So this charge density, first of all we need to find out the charge density, which is not easy to find out. Then okay, if by some method we are able to find out this charge density, then this integration is very difficult to find, solve. Okay, so this to find out the electric potential by using this method is very difficult. So one another method is which can be used, which is very simple. Okay, and that method is this method is method of images. So now we had this problem. So if we have we can replace this conducting plate with the negative of this or inverse of this charge. So if we have a positive charge here at a distance d, remove this conducting plate and put a opposite charge here, so minus q at the same distance. Now if we find out electric potential here from this plus q charge and minus q, that would be equal to, if we find out this potential, that will be equal to 4 pi epsilon naught. Now distance from this positive charge is r plus, and from this negative is r minus respectively. So we can easily find out 1 upon r plus minus 1 upon r minus. So this is the formula which we are going to use, and this r plus will be equal to x square plus y minus d square plus z square 1 by 2, and r minus will be equal to x square plus y of minus d, so that will be equal to plus a square plus z square 1 by 2. So this is very easy as compared to this previous one. So no integration is here. So by using this method of images, what we have done here, we have replaced this plane grounded plane connecting plate with the image charge. So this the solution provided by this method of images satisfies four conditions which we have discussed earlier, and it will give us unique solution. So this also satisfy the uniqueness theorem. Okay, so this is a unique method. It also satisfies the uniqueness theorem. So it is a unique solution, you can see that. So by using this method of images, any difficult problem in which boundary conditions, we have some boundary condition which need to satisfy, we have to solve some integration, can be solved easily. Okay, and but it is not applicable everywhere in every region. Okay, it has some limitations. Now this, it has a basic limitation. So this image charge, this image charge, this is the image charge, should be located outside the region in which the field is to be determined. Okay, now you cannot determine now in this region above this axis y greater than 0. We can easily find out this electric potential, but for reason y greater less than 0, okay, this method is not applicable. Okay, this image charge should not lie in the same region where we are going to find out this electric potential. Okay, so if we have this value of this potential from this formula, E is equal to minus del V, we can easily find out electric field intensity. Okay, so this is a very simple method to find out electric field intensity, electric potential. Okay, thanks for watching.